How you doing? Southpaw Pete back again with a Shackleman Cuff Club Challenge number 2. And that is to cuff ourselves and shim out of them. The last one was shuffle or do something with your hands. I shuffled a deck of cards. This homemade shim was actually a rake that I turned into a knife tool, but works great on a set of Peerless 700s in the regard of a shim. So that's number one. And then number 2, or part 2 of this, I'm going to use, which you've probably seen me do before. They make stainless steel zip ties now. So I've cut one down, added a little angle to it, left the handle, and they work marvelous with these Peerless 700s. And of course, when I say that, it doesn't work as fast as usual like that. Okay, that's the Shackleman Cuff Club Challenge Part 2 in the books. Enjoy your picking, be safe, rock and roll. Find somebody, follow, like, share, subscribe. You, eh? All right, be good.